thank you all for watching my previous video. I truly appreciate you and you. Okay, so I'm coming to you today with a sandwich. Before I went vegan, I love sandwiches. Love. I love sandwiches. And I was from New York, so I would go to the corner store, get a sandwich, get a turkey and cheese melted, all of that. Mayonnaise, lettuce and tomatoes, everything. And now that I'm vegan, I make sandwiches, and I really don't want to do the mock meat. So Auntie Tabitha Brown here on YouTube, she came up with a tomato sandwich recipe. So let's get into it. So I already toasted my bread. I'm gonna put the mayo. The vegan mayo, of course.
This crazy lady named London came into our shop and took all the cheese.
So I have my 2 slices of bread here. Now I'm gonna put on the tomatoes. She said put 4, but it's only put 4. Now I'm gonna come with the salt and pepper. Pepper, I can sprinkle some on there. I'm gonna go in with my pink Himalayan salt. I'm gonna actually pour it in my hand first, so I don't do a lot. Ooh, that's a lot. I'm gonna take it and sprinkle it. And like so. People usually throw it over their shoulder. I don't know what that's about. Okay, I'm going to top it now. Look, voila. Look at it. I'm so excited. This looks so yummy. Look at this. Okay. I'm gonna just bite right here in the middle. Need a bite. Good. so simple. And the flavor is amazing. The tomato. Did I say bon appetit? That's it. The tomato is so fresh. The bread is like crunchy a little bit. The mayo is just enough. This was an awesome sandwich. I'm satisfied. Bomb. You must try it. Thanks for watching.